y'all, I'm back at Dollar Tree. So today I spotted these cute Be Mine LA Colors 2-piece nail kits. It came with scented nail polish and nail file, and I thought that was really cute, so I picked one up so we can see what it really smells like and how the formula is. So keep an eye out for that video. I also spotted these LA Colors Color Craze. I think they're new colors. I'm not sure because they didn't look familiar, but if you guys have heard these names before, just let me know in the comments. But I want to say that they're part of a Valentine's collection, and some of the other ones I'm going to show towards the back I'm thinking was part of maybe a Christmas collection. But some of these do look familiar and some don't. Some of the names sound new to me, so I'm not sure, but they had a lot of pretty colors over here. I didn't pick up any, even though at the end of this I was trying to figure out which of the two I wanted, and I didn't end up getting either one because I'm really trying not to collect any more Color Craze. Even though it's so hard, you know, when you're a polishaholic, you just grab polish, and I'm trying so hard to stop doing that. So the two that I picked, I ended up putting back. But yeah, they had a lot of really pretty shades in the LA Colors Color Craze, and then I'll also be showing you guys some new colors, and they had some pretty colors in the new colors as well. Y'all notice how raggedy my nails are. Please excuse them, but I just popped off those nails that I did in my previous video, the Beetles glue-on nails, and yes, they are in need of some cuticle oil and some filing. These are the two colors I was thinking about getting, but like I said, I didn't end up getting either one, but I kind of want to go back and get them. What do y'all think? The set of colorful nails I am about to pick up, they had also had another color with like white, orange, a couple different reds in it, like wintry colors. So tempted to get them, but like I say, I can never fit them, so I'm kind of thinking about going back and getting a pack and just testing them out for y'all to see if they're basically unisex, because I have wide nails, you know, ladies or men. There's both of us that wears nails and nail polish, so yeah, I'd like to know basically how the fit is. So I might get a pack just to test it out. If you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know and I'll pick a couple packs up of those glue-on nails and see if they're small, wide, you know, whatever. But yeah, I'm showing you guys now the new colors that they had. Now the new colors that I spotted here, I also spotted at Family Dollar, but at Family Dollar for $2, and they had some of the same colors here at Dollar Tree for now $1.25. Can you guys believe it? They went up to $1.25 now. Everything's not $1 anymore. There are still some dollar items, but mostly everything is now $1.25. That color, Wonderlust, is really pretty. I think I should have gotten that one. I'm not really into greens, but that one was really pretty. Now here's some more of the glue-on nails. These are so super cute, but just looking at them, you can see that they're like small. I just really don't think they're gonna fit me. So now I'm just showing you guys, I came across some like Maybelline glosses, some highlights, some contour and primer sets by Rimmel. This lipstick and liner set was regular $5.98. It looked like it came from Walmart. I've seen those sets at Walmart around Christmas time, so it's $1.25. I was really surprised to see they had those NYX matte lip glosses. They also had some like brow pencils and a few other things I hadn't seen yet. I was so excited to see these. I have a bunch of them, so I didn't get any, but they had the Kiss, they had the Fingers, Edge, the Flirts. They had these cute tweezers in a bunch of different colors, zebra print, and more glue-on nails. They had a ton of them, even glow-in-the-dark ones that I don't think I showed here, but they had so many different colors and styles to choose from. Alright, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there's anything you want me to go back and test out, just leave it in the comments and I'll try to go back for it.